If Quick Share on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 does not work with AirDrop on iPhone, first on Galaxy Z Flip 8, we're gonna go to Quick Share, which you should be able to find, for example, here in Quick Settings in this expandable area. So let's go over here. Now, first, we're gonna tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and then go to Settings. Over here in Quick Share Settings, you want to make sure that Share with Apple devices is enabled. You can actually tap on this option in order to find some additional information, but essentially you just want to make sure that sharing with Apple devices is enabled. Besides that, now we're gonna go to Send, and here on iPhone, you want to make sure that the iPhone has AirDrop enabled to set to everyone for 10 minutes. If we choose contacts only, and if I select files, then most likely you will not be able to detect iPhone here on nearby devices. But if we switch to everyone for 10 minutes, then iPhone should be detected. There we go. Now it actually works. So I can now select iPhone and I can accept my file. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.